Hey guys, what's up? So, welcome to another video, and this is a real quick video where I am going to show you how you can upload a lot of data to your vector database, Pinecone. So, I was actually trying to upload a lot of JSON files, and you can see I have a lot of JSON files, about 700 of these files that I want to upload. So they are basically one way is not how I normally upload that. It's using this n8n automation. So you just put all the files over here and execute the script, and it will actually upload all of the files. But the issue is it will take a lot of time because those are a lot of files, and whole script will take a lot of time to execute. So its alternate solution that I found that is working really well is basically this Python script that will do the same. And these are just API keys which you need to replace. These are just demo numbers, but you need to put the real numbers over here, your OpenAI API key and Pinecone API key, and just need to update the index name and everything. If you come over here, we have this upload file which will have all of the JSON files. And once the script is executed, you will see there will be a folder called proceed and another folder called failed. So if some files are failed, that will go to that folder so that you don't have to just, you are not duplicating the data. You just uploading the ones that are actually failed. So yeah, I mean that's a basic script. You just need to make sure your Pinecone database name is exactly the one which you put over here. Your dimensions are the same and everything. So if you come over here, I'll just quickly create this quick index for my database and I'll execute the script. So it'll take, I think I have actually tested it and it should take not more than 15 minutes to upload all of the data. And it's a lot when it comes to text, basically. So this is the index, and now what I'm going to do is I'll actually upload this script to my GitHub. You can get it from there. I'll actually replace it with original API keys, and yeah. So now I will execute the script, and you can see the data will start to upload over here. So this is the script that I'm uploading. Executing, and this script found a lot of files. If something is not like missing, it will actually show up over here. So now it's actually uploading the data, and if you see, we have 6,000 count over here. Now, I mean, it's going to take not more than 15 minutes, honestly, because I have tested it once. And if you look at this folder over here, you can see the failed. There are two files that were actually failed, and up no, no, not the upload copy, but the proceed. You will see all the files that are actually proceed. And error log will have, these are the two files where we found an error, and if you look at the process log file, it will have all the list of files which proceeded. So yeah, this was a quick solution that I found for myself and just thought I should share on my YouTube channel. So if anybody is working on it, they can just follow the process, and maybe this is useful for you guys. So yeah, that's about it for this video. And if you ever need any help with automation or anything, feel free to message me. You will find all the details in the description.